Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today we're making home-style tofu. Without further ado, let's get started. First, cut the tofu into triangular pieces with sides about 5 centimeters long. This shape is not only visually appealing, but also ideal for frying and cooking. Next, slice the lean pork into pieces about 0.3 centimeters thick. This ensures the pork cooks quickly and remains tender. Heat some oil in a pan and fry the tofu until it floats and turns golden and crispy on the outside, while staying tender and juicy inside. Remove most of the oil from the pan, leaving just a little. Add 10 grams of garlic, 10 grams of ginger, and 10 grams of chopped green onions. Stir fry on medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant, allowing the aroma to fully develop. Add 20 grams of doubanjiang, fermented broad bean paste, and stir fry on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes until the red oil is released. Add the sliced lean pork and stir fry on medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes until it changes color and is cooked through. Add 10 milliliters of cooking wine and 10 milliliters of light soy sauce. Then add 5 grams of sugar and 3 grams of salt, stirring evenly to adjust the taste. Add 50 grams of soaked wood ear mushrooms and stir fry on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the fried tofu and stir fry on medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the tofu to fully absorb the flavors of the seasonings. Add 30 grams of green bell pepper and 30 grams of red bell pepper, continuing to stir fry on medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes to add color and a hint of spice. Then add 15 milliliters of cornstarch slurry and stir fry evenly to slightly thicken the sauce, allowing it to coat the ingredients better. Finally, add 10 milliliters of sesame oil and stir fry for half a minute to enhance the dish's color and shine. Transfer everything to a serving plate and enjoy. Friends, you must try our home-style tofu. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share.